Is your Bluetooth device not showing on your laptop or PC? Don't worry. This video will show you how to fix it step by step. Without any further delay, let's get started. Method 1. Enable Bluetooth services. In the search bar, type Services. Click on Services. In the Services window, look for Bluetooth Support Services. Make sure it is running. If not, right-click on it, select Start. Again, right-click. Select Properties. Select the startup type to be Automatic. Click Apply and OK. Also enable other Bluetooth-related services as well. After that, check if the Bluetooth option is showing or not. If this doesn't help, let's go to next method. Method 2. Update or reinstall Bluetooth driver. Just go to Device Manager through search bar. There will be some situation where you will be able to see Bluetooth driver in Device Manager, but still you will be unable to connect with other devices. If that's the case, you may update the driver. Right-click on it, click Update. Also try disabling the driver and enabling it. Right-click Disable Device, then enable it. Just see if the Bluetooth is working or not. If not, try uninstalling the device. Right-click, Uninstall Device. After that, restart your computer and see if Bluetooth is working for you. If it's still not working, uninstall the driver just like we did in the last step. Go to official Intel website, or you can visit your laptop or PC manufacturer website. Download and install the latest Bluetooth driver. I have given the link in the description box as well. After that, restart computer and see if you are getting Bluetooth connection. Method 3. Windows Troubleshooter and Power Flush. Power Flush clears leftover electrical charge in your PC, forcing the Bluetooth hardware to reset and reconnect properly. I will show you how to do Power Flush in your device. For that, if you are using desktop computer, turn off the device first, then remove all the cables from CPU, including the power cord. After removing everything, press and hold power button for 30 seconds. After doing this, reconnect all the cables and restart your computer. This will fix the Bluetooth issue. If you are using laptop with removable battery, shut down first. Remove battery and everything connected with the laptop. Press and hold power button for 30 seconds. After doing this, connect the battery and charging cable. Start your laptop and see if you are getting Bluetooth in your device. For laptops with non-removable battery, like the one you're seeing right now, in that case, then remove charging cable and all connections like USB from the laptop. Then allow the battery to discharge fully to 0%. After reaching 0%, system will turn off on its own. Then press and hold power button for 30 seconds. After that, connect the charging cable and turn on your laptop. It's a very powerful method. This will definitely solve your problem. After trying all the methods I have given and still you are not getting Bluetooth, then the issue is associated with Bluetooth hardware. You can get a Bluetooth dongle online and link is given in the description, or you can visit an authorized service center nearby. That's it. Hope this video helped you to solve the problem. Please let me know your queries in the comment section. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.